Hello everybody. So today I will talk about geometry. The topic today is about the unit vector. So now I will show you how to answer. So I will put about u with the hat in here. This is about the unit vector. The formula of this one, we have the vector u over the magnitude of the vector u in here. So about this one, we have the formula in here. That's about the square root of 4 to the power of 2 plus number 1 in here to the power of 2. So this one we have the square root of number 17. And we know that the vector u, that's about this one in here. So I will put like this, 1 over the square root of number 17 multiplied by the value of the vector u. So this one multiplied by number 4 and number 1 in here. So we will have about number 4 over the square root of number 17, and we have number 1 over the square root of number 17. Or we can put like this. And this is the final answer. That is the end. Thank you for watching.